Chapter 1. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm your go-to smart home enthusiast, tester, and occasional gadget hoarder. My name is Martin. Today, we're taking a look at the SONOFF Zigbee waterproof temperature and humidity sensor with LCD display, SNZB-02WD. It is built to handle tougher environments while still providing clear, at-a-glance readings right on the screen. If you're into smart home tech and can't resist adding just one more sensor to your setup, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss future videos. Time to put this little sensor under the microscope and see what it's really made of. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we go any further, here is a quick transparency check. This video is not sponsored. I bought the SNZB-02WD with my own money back in November 2025 on Amazon, and it cost me £14.84. So as always, you're getting my honest, real-world opinion. No paid promotions. No manufacturer script. Now let's open the box and see what this little waterproof sensor is all about. Chapter 3. What's in the box? Let's crack this open. Inside the box, you'll find a multilingual instruction manual, an orange hanging loop, a small pin tool, and the sensor itself, which feels solid and well-built with the battery already pre-installed. The sensor features an IP65 waterproof design, a magnetic back for easy mounting, and the option to use the hanging loop. It also comes with a large 2.2-inch display, so you can easily read the temperature and humidity at a glance. Chapter 4. Installation. Let's get this sensor connected and talking to your smart home. I'll walk you through the process using Zigbee 2 MQTT. Step 1. Pair the sensor. Start by putting your Zigbee network into pairing mode. In Zigbee 2 MQTT, just click Permit Join. Next, open the sensor by unscrewing the back cover. And remove the battery isolation tab to power it on. Most Zigbee devices automatically enter pairing mode when powered up for the first time. If yours doesn't, just trigger pairing manually. Use the included pin tool to press and hold the reset button under the back cover for 5 seconds. You'll notice the signal icon on the display starting to blink. That means it's ready to pair. After a few seconds, the sensor should appear in your Zigbee 2 MQTT device list. Step 2. Name your sensor. Once it is connected, give it a clear and meaningful name in Zigbee 2 MQTT. Before clicking Rename Device, make sure to enable Update Home Assistant Entity ID. This keeps everything consistent across Home Assistant. If you'd like some advice on naming your devices properly, check out my video. The Perfect Naming Conventions. Simplify your smart home. You can click the link in the top right corner now or find it later in the description below. Step 3. Configure your sensor. Let's go through a few settings to get everything set up just the way you like it. In Zigbee 2 MQTT, open your sensor by clicking on its name. You can add a description in the About tab if you want. It's optional, but helpful if you have lots of devices. Next, head over to the Exposes tab. Here, you can choose your preferred temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit, and you can also apply calibration to fine-tune the temperature and humidity readings if needed. Then switch to the Settings Specific tab, where you can adjust the reporting precision and can also calibrate both temperature and humidity. Step 4. Location and labels. Now let's organize your sensor inside Home Assistant. Open Settings from the main menu, then go to Devices and Services, and select the Devices section. From there, locate your newly paired sensor and open it. To edit its details, click the pencil icon in the top right corner. This allows you to update its name, assign the sensor to a room, and labels to better match your setup. Once everything looks good, save your changes by clicking Update. And that's it. Your Zigbee temperature and humidity sensor is now fully set up and neatly organized within your smart home. Now comes the real test. How well does it actually perform? Chapter 5. Validation. This is just a sensor, nothing overly complex, but we still want to make sure it's actually doing its job properly. To check the accuracy of the temperature and humidity readings, I placed the sensor next to my Toptez noise meter for a few hours. I wasn't measuring noise. This device also tracks temperature and humidity, so it's perfect for comparison.
Many hours later.
Here are the results. Temperature. SONOFF sensor reads 22.2 degrees Celsius. Toptez meter shows 22.5 degrees Celsius. Humidity. SONOFF sensor reports 44%, and my noise meter displays 44.4%. As you can see, the readings are very close, and from an accuracy standpoint, I'm genuinely impressed. However, I did run into an issue. The values shown on the sensor's display should match what you see in Home Assistant, but in my case, they don't match. It looks like there's a problem with how the data updates in Home Assistant. I've checked for updates in Zigbee 02 MQTT, but there is nothing available for the SNZB-02WD at the moment. I also tried resetting the device, but that didn't resolve the issue. I'll be reaching out to SONOFF to find out what is going on here. Chapter 6. Fix and Support Update. Good news. I reached out to SONOFF support and they got back to me. It turns out the issue is related to the reporting thresholds. Here is how to fix it. Head over to the Zigbee 02 MQTT interface. Then open your sensor. Navigate to the Reporting tab and reduce the minimum reporting change values for both temperature and humidity. For now, I've set mine to 10. Next, remove the back cover of the sensor and press the reset button once using the pin tool. After that, apply the changes for each value you adjusted and wait for confirmation that everything was updated successfully. Finally, refresh the page and check your data. And just like that, everything works. The values in Home Assistant now update almost instantly. Chapter 7. The Verdict. The SONOFF SNZB-02WD is compact, accurate, and weatherproof. It offers flexible mounting with a magnetic back or the included hanging loop, features a large, easy-to-read display, and delivers solid battery life. Overall, it ticks all the right boxes. In my case, there was a major issue at first with data in Home Assistant not updating correctly, but thanks to SONOFF support, the problem was resolved, and I even learned something new along the way. I also have to say the support from SONOFF was excellent. They responded quickly and pointed me straight to the solution. Now that everything is working as it should, I'm happy to recommend this device. Chapter 8. Thank you. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with someone who is also into smart home tech. It really helps the channel grow. If you'd like to support the channel a bit more, you can buy me a coffee, send a tip via PayPal, or become a channel member. All the links are in the description. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And happy troubleshooting!